In the designated area for pre-cleaning, away from patients, you must perform the steps for pre-cleaning as shown in this video. This is the standard layout of a pre-cleaning utility room. First, proceed to washing your hands. Next, don a PPE. For the pre-cleaning, you must follow a unidirectional process. So, first you must place your soiled, reusable instruments on the soiled zone of the counter. After that, fill the sink with room temperature water to the indicated fill line. Add indicated number of pumps of enzymatic detergent. Let the instruments soak for a minimum of 2 minutes. Use a nylon brush to scrub surfaces and cavities while keeping instruments under the soaking solution. Irrigate lumens with soaking solution. Do not splash. Next, drain the soaking solution. With fresh warm water, rinse by submerging instruments. Remove all detergent residue from instrument surfaces. Completely dry the instruments with paper towel and then place them in the transport container. Finally, clean the sinks with disinfecting wipes.